This small but important light makes it easy to find items in your glove box, especially at night or in low light conditions. If the glove box light has stopped working in your Kia Sportage, don't worry, replacing this light bulb is quick and easy. You can do this yourself in just a few simple steps. To avoid risk of electrical short circuit, it is recommended to cut the power to the glove box light. You can do that by either disconnecting the 12-volt battery, or you can pull out the fuse for the interior lights. It's the fourth fuse in the last column. Also check if the fuse is not blown. A blown fuse can also cause the glove box light to stop working along with other interior lights. After cutting the power, it's time to pull down the light housing. There is a small indentation on one side of the housing. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently pry it out of the panel. You do not have to disconnect the electrical connector to replace the bulb. Using a flathead screwdriver, open the back cover of the light housing. You will find an incandescent bulb inside the housing. Before handling the incandescent bulb, here's an essential tip. Wear clean gloves. The oils from your fingers can transfer to the bulb surface. These oils create hot spots when the bulb is on, which can cause the bulb to overheat and significantly shorten its lifespan. Gloves help keep the bulb clean and ensure it lasts as long as possible. Gently slide the bulb out of its socket with your finger. Inspect the filament inside the bulb. If it's broken or burnt, the bulb is blown and needs to be replaced. If the filament is intact, the bulb might still be good. You can test it with a multimeter to be sure. Insert the new bulb into the socket. Make sure it's seated properly. Then reinstall the back cover of the light housing. Carefully push the light housing back into the glove box panel until it clicks into place. Make sure it's secure and flush with the surface. Finally, reconnect the 12-volt battery, or if you just remove the fuse, insert the 10-amp fuse back into the fuse box. Now open the glove box to test the new bulb. If the light still does not work, the issue might be due to a faulty switch at the bottom of the glove box housing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more DIY automotive tips. Thanks for watching.